Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Honda Accord window. First, you need to diagnose the problem. Listen for any sounds when you press the window switch. If you hear the motor, the issue might be with the regulator or the window itself. If there's no sound, check the fuse box for a blown fuse. A simple fuse replacement could be your quick fix. Also, test the switch. Sometimes it's just a faulty connection. Once you've diagnosed the issue, the next step is to access the window mechanism. This involves carefully removing the interior door panel. Start by locating and removing all visible screws, often hidden under trim pieces or switch covers. Then, use a trim removal tool to gently pry around the edges, releasing the clips. Disconnect any electrical connectors for the window switch and door lights. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic components. With the door panel off, you can now see the window regulator and motor assembly. Examine the cables for fraying or breakage and check the gears for any stripped teeth. Often, the entire regulator assembly needs replacement, especially if the cables are snapped. Unbolt the old unit, carefully remove it, and then install the new one. Make sure the window glass is securely attached to the new regulator before proceeding. Before fully reassembling, temporarily connect the window switch and test the window's up and down movement. Ensure it operates smoothly without any binding or unusual noises. Once satisfied, carefully reattach the door panel, making sure all clips snap into place and all screws are tightened. Don't forget to reconnect any electrical connectors you detached earlier. For a fresh car interior, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your fully functional window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.